amazing. This is my word to me. And I wanted to talk to you guys about day 2 in Baños. So we ended up going to La Ruta de las Cascadas, which is a route to see waterfalls. And you go in a party bus, which is called Chiva. This bus takes you to different points where there's rivers and waterfalls.
Turn left at the next exit.
Oh, no, wait, maybe not.
We ended up going to our first stop, which was the Mega Adventure Park, I believe, which there you had, like, a few activities that you can do. You had 3 ways to cross over the river. So you had this bridge. It's a bridge that literally you don't have like any place where you can hold on. The floor is literally like ropes with little pieces of wood. You have protection so you don't fall. There's a canopy that you can do, and there is a bridge with glass. Whoa. This is amazing! Look at that. Es hermosísimo. This is freaking crazy. I love it. Halfway there. Oh my god. ¡Ay! ¡Se mueve el puente! That's what we're gonna do next. It's amazing here. Seriously amazing. I ended up going through the Puente con Cristal, which is the bridge with glass. You can see glass on the floor, and there is screens which when you step on them they crack. And here's me trying to make it crack. I feel like you can't really tell here. It was pretty high up, and with the wind, the bridge kind of like would move. Second stop, we went to La Taravita del Manto de la Novia. This waterfall is called El Manto de la Novia, means the bride's veil. It got this name because of its beautiful, very white water, looking like the veil of a beautiful bride. The basket actually goes pretty fast. I feel like you can't tell how fast it's going, but it is going fast. Wait a second. Are you subscribed yet? Come on. If you're not subscribed yet, please, this is your moment. Go subscribe, like this video, press on that notification bell so you can get alerts of all my videos that are coming up, because I have a lot to show you. So come on, this is the moment. Let's go. Come on. Have you done it yet? Thank you for that. And let's go back to the video. Look how beautiful this is. We're gonna do a walk to a waterfall. It just cost us $2 per person, and it's amazing. Es un bosque encantado. Wow, so pretty. Wow, that is so pretty. I never have seen mushrooms these colors before. Truly so beautiful. Last stop was this amazing waterfall, which is called El PAILON del Diablo. This waterfall I've literally been wanting to see for a very long time. Wow. So beautiful. That's where we're going next. Whoa. We are literally behind the waterfall. Ah! Dios mío. Oh. Wow, esto no es súper peligroso, pero oh my god. Okay, it's kind of slippery here. Whoa. Okay, you're trying to walk and record at the same time. Amazing. El Pailon del Diablo, in English, the Devil's Pailon. Well, it's given its name because they say that if you look carefully, you can see the rocks forming the devil's face. The Pailon means very like deep lands or like lowlands and rounded. Or it also can be known as a form of pot or like pan. That was so much fun. That was the most amazing experience. I've been wanting to see this place in forever, and I had the opportunity, and I 100% recommend it. It was so beautiful. Thank you for watching. This was my Weird Me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.